Alden, it's your update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang social media account. Siyempre, abangan ng AR-15 moving forward. Ito pa nga yung video na sinare ni Alden. Sabi niya, 15 years, countless memories, one journey we built together, one night, one moment, create just for you, you know. Malapit na yan sa December 13 na yan. Okay, support ng mga fans ni Alden. May mga achievement at milestone ni Alden na mga nagawa.
Hello guys, Alden Richards here, and I would like to invite everyone who's watching this video to join me as I celebrate another milestone in my career. So, this coming December 13, 2025, sama-sama po tayo at nakita-kita sa aking ultimate fan meet titled Moving Forward Live at the Santa Rosa Sports Complex. Come and join me as I celebrate my 15th anniversary in show business. It's a night filled with gratitude, appreciation, and of course, I want to highlight all the people who have been very instrumental para po marating ko kung ano man yung narating ko ngayon. So, for ticket details po, kindly check the link below, and I'll see you guys there.
Yan o, pinabangan, siyempre. AR-15 moving forward ni Alden. May entertainment, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.